Keeping work areas, tables and art spaces clean can be hard, particularly when those spaces are in steady use. Clearing up little wrecks can likewise be baffling, in light of the fact that it's solely after you're done that you notice you failed to remember a couple of bits of tidies or food garbage. In any case, there is a cheap device that can take care of this issue, a morsel vacuum. We have found many of these little and strong smaller than expected vacs that they've loved, including a ladybug-formed vacuum that gets scraps like a genius. No, they don't have serious areas of strength or as a standard handheld vacuum or as huge of a garbage stockpiling compartment, yet they can positively handle little wrecks that you could somehow attempt to clear away with the side of your hand. For morsels, paper scraps, and indeed, even sparkle, these little vacuums are sufficiently little to sit right in front of you or fit helpfully inside a cabinet for moment access at whatever point you want them. Hi my friends and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I present you best desktop vacuum cleaners. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Unilin brand. Absorbs relatively fine dust and rubber crumbs and large particles of bread crumbs, paper crumbs, and tobacco etc. Detachable washing. Cleaning is more convenient, turning clockwise to open for cleaning. One key: click the switch button to start clearing the garbage. After cleaning, turn the body clockwise to disassemble and clean. If you encounter garbage that is difficult to clean, you can use the brushes we provide to clean it. It provides a USB charging cable, charging at any time, built-in 500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, charging for 2 hours, can be used for 60 minutes, high-power desktop vacuum cleaner, powerful cleaning, clean and tidy, office study, cleaning is a good helper. Small size is handy to clean carefully. Fashion cute cat mini desktop vacuum office keyboard desk dust cleaner mini cute office desk vacuum handy crumb sweeper. Are you tired of dirty and messy desks and keyboards? A sofa with crumbs everywhere? Elementary school students' hands soiled with rubber crumbs while writing homework? Well, use this ultra mini desktop vacuum cleaner. Your table will be refreshed. Keep your hands clean. The ultra mini size can be carried with you, freeing you from endless little troubles. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 4 in our top is from the TRZLIFE brand. Your desk vacuum has an upgraded battery. It is a powerful 1600 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. High-capacity lithium-ion battery provides up to 400 minutes of continuous cleaning time. Only charge for 2 to 3 hours. Your mini vacuum can be charged by car charger, mobile adapter, power bank, computer. Your table vacuum can suck up rubber scurfy or cigarette ash or bread crumbs or fine particle or dust ash pet fur because of 1,300 pascals of suction power. Your tabletop vacuum spins at up to 13,500 RPM compared to 6,000 RPM of other cleaner. Yet, it is quiet enough for you to read or sleep when it is working. Your crumb vacuum is small and delicate, comfortable to hold. It is made of upgraded materials. High-quality transparent material acrylic, not ordinary plastic used for other products. It resembles glass but much stronger and safer with a chic display. It will be perfect gift for the persons who have cars, pets, computers or the men who drop crumbs when eating snacks. It is also a very good Christmas gift. Your counter vacuum is very easy to operate. Suitable for students and elderly. It is portable and cordless. You just hold it by your hand and move it. Then your desk or your car will be clean. The auto power off function will switch to off when the countertop vacuum does not work for 15 minutes. It's perfect as a Christmas stocking stuffers. Your tiny vacuum is best at cleaning small daily debris, tiny domestic garbage, eraser crumbs, coffee grounds, bread or snack crumbs. Your desktop and countertop cleaning will become elegant and graceful. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Chic brand. You only need to charge this mini desk vacuum for 2 to 3 hours, and then you can use the vacuum cleaner to clean the desktop, sofa, car seat and other places, with small size and lightweight, easy to carry. You just need to press the button, then hold the desk vacuum with your hand and move it. After using, just loosen the upper and lower parts of the desktop vacuum cleaner, and then use the cleaning brush to clean it. The strong suction of this mini desk vacuum is enough to support you to clean up a lot of debris and debris accumulation. And it's not too noisy when you operate and will not disturb your study and daily life. This desktop vacuum can not only help you clean your desktop, but also help mom clean up kitchen scraps, clean men's soot, baby nail remnants, etc. In addition, no matter where you are, as long as you have a USB interface, you can fully charge it and use it. Hands should appropriately press the desk vacuum down when using it and allow the bottom brush to fully contact the desktop to suction the dust better. If you have any questions during use, please feel free to contact us. Number 2 in our top is from the IGOKOTI brand. Features a powerful 600 mAh built-in rechargeable battery. With the inbuilt battery, you can move and use it everywhere, and our dust sweeper can be charged by car charger, mobile adapter, power bank, computer, etc. You can use it in your home, your office, your kitchen, even your car. It can suck up the dirt caused by eraser, the cigarette ash or dust, or breadcrumbs or fine particle, or breadcrumbs or dust ash, pet fur. Your table aspirator can suck up rubber, scurfy or cigarette ash or breadcrumbs or fine particle or dust ash, pet fur. Because of 1,300 pascals of suction power, your table aspirator spins it up to 13,500 RPM compared to 6,000 RPM of other cleaner, yet it is quiet enough for you to read or sleep while it cleans. 360 degrees spiral wind blade, strong suction power, effectively clean up dust, paper scraps, pet hair, lint, ash, hair, rubber and food crumbs on the table, sofa, or cars. Not suitable for heavy-duty or large objects. You can easily reach to any corners and crevices. Of course, organizing the desktop is even easier. Your table vacuum cleaner is very easy to operate. Suitable for students and elderly. It is portable and cordless. You just hold it by your hand and move it. Our table cleaner will save from the annoying little mess in life and clean all around your home and car. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the TRZLIFE brand. Unlike other desktop vacuum cleaner, it comes with a vacuum nozzle which is detachable. You can use it according to your needs. It can easily clean up the dust of desktop, computer, keyboard, etc. It is definitely ideal for cleaning hair and dust in the corner. Vacuum cleaner comes with a universal USB charging cable. It only needs to be charged for 2 hours and can last for 4 hours. You can charge the desktop vacuum cleaner through car charger, mobile adapter, power bank, computer, which is more environmentally friendly than battery. Small size, easy to pack and carry. Although it is a mini desktop vacuum cleaner, the suction power is strong enough to suck up a lot of accumulation. It is also quiet enough not to affect other people's working, studying, or sleeping. This USB mini vacuum helps you to get rid of the messy paper scraps, daily dust, soot, pet hair, or powder on the table. With ergonomic design, it's very suitable for your hand, just like a mouse. Cleaning is very simple. When you use the desktop vacuum cleaner, just press the switch under your finger, then hold it with your hand and move it. Just unscrew the upper and the lower part of the desk vacuum and clean them with the cleaning brush. Note, when you use it, the indicator light is green. When the power is insufficient, it stops working. This desktop vacuum cleaner is a great gift for student, colleagues, parents. It provides you with a clean life and convenient cleaning experience. Which desktop vacuum cleaner would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.